Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever dreamed of turning your cottage into a cozy winter wonderland, then you're in the right place. Today we're going to explore the beauty of cottage winter decor, a design style that blends rustic charm, comfort, and a touch of seasonal magic. The foundation of cottage winter decor lies in comfort. You want your space to feel warm and inviting, like a peaceful retreat from the cold. Start by layering soft textiles throughout your home. Think chunky knit blankets, plush cushions, and woolen throws. These textures will instantly add warmth and create that cozy feeling we all crave during winter. One of my favorite ways to enhance the winter atmosphere is by adding candles. The soft, flickering light creates such a peaceful ambiance, and it's perfect for those long, chilly evenings. Group candles of various sizes on tables or mantles, and don't forget the magic of scented candles. Think pine, cinnamon, or vanilla. The subtle fragrance will make your cottage feel even more festive and warm. Winter decor doesn't have to be overly ornate. Simplicity is key. Bring the outdoors inside by using natural elements like pine cones, branches, and even dried flowers. A wooden bowl filled with pine cones or a handmade wreath adorned with winter berries can add a beautiful touch of rustic charm. These simple, organic items create an earthy vibe that fits perfectly with the cottage aesthetic. Another lovely detail that screams cozy winter vibes is a well-set kitchen. I love bringing out my vintage mugs and teapots during the winter months. Set up a hot chocolate or mulled wine station for a fun, inviting touch. It's a simple way to elevate your space and encourage those moments of togetherness with family and friends. For those of you who love a little festive flair, consider adding greenery. A garland made of fresh evergreens or even faux greenery draped across the mantle or windows adds an instant winter touch. You can even tuck in some dried orange slices, cinnamon sticks, or small pine cones for a bit of added texture and color. forget the exterior of your cottage. The entrance sets the tone for what's inside, so I love to hang a beautiful wreath on the front door. Choose one made of natural materials like pine branches or dried flowers, and you can even personalize it with a touch of burlap ribbon or small bells for that extra charm. Finally, the key to creating a truly cozy winter cottage is about mixing rustic and refined elements. Combine vintage pieces, like a worn leather armchair, with fresh winter details like snowflake ornaments or a cozy faux fur rug. The goal is to balance comfort with charm, creating a space that feels like an intimate retreat from the outside world. So whether you're decorating for the holidays or simply embracing the beauty of winter, Cottage Winter Decor is all about creating a space that feels warm, inviting, and full of character. I hope these ideas inspire you to bring some cozy magic into your own home this season. Thanks for joining me today. If you love these tips, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more winter decorating ideas. Stay warm, stay cozy, and I'll see you next time.